Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video, I will tell you that how to book Etihad airline ticket through Sabre. First of all, select the sector from where you want to travel. I have selected Karachi to Abu Dhabi in 28th of Jan. Here you can see different fare of different airline. I have selected Etihad airline, which is the cheapest fare. I have selected without baggage and without meal. The next window, you can see the detail of the passenger record. So put all the detail of the passenger according to the passport record, name, first name and last name, passport number, expiry date, issue date, as well as passport issuing date and expiry date, and then create a PNR. In the next window, you can see the ticket which have emailed by the Etihad airline to our email. Now you can take print itinerary for the passenger, and now you can check the ticket number, PNR, as well as other detail of the ticket as per the prescribed detail of the passenger. Now you can check the sector, and you can download the same ticket and email or WhatsApp to the passenger, and also you can take print of the said PNR. Here you can download the ticket. Click on the tab. You can see the particular of the passenger, the detail from where the passenger will travel. And now I have downloaded the ticket, and now you can take print of the prescribed ticket. Thank you for watching. Kindly share the video, like the video, and subscribe the channel. Thank you.